8 signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Hi there, welcome to Bloom. Vitamin D plays a major role in how our body functions. It is produced by the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. It can also be found in certain food products. Without sufficient vitamin D, you are at an increased risk for certain health conditions such as cancer, broken bones, depression, and anxiety. In today's video, we will go over 8 signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Frequent illnesses. If you're becoming sick more often than usual with a typical cold, flu, strep throat, or other ailments, a deficiency in vitamin D could be to blame. Vitamin D plays an important role in maintaining a healthy immune system. You'll be better equipped to fight off infections and diseases caused by viruses and bacteria if your immune system is healthy. If you have a vitamin D deficiency, this can cause your immune system to become compromised, making you more vulnerable to disease and infection. Number 2. Back pain. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining good bone health. Low levels of vitamin D could result in poor bone health, causing pain in your back, particularly in your lower back. This pain can be intense and last for a long time. It can become so severe that it prevents you from participating in certain activities, resulting in a poor quality of life. Number 3. Constantly tired. If you constantly feel exhausted or tired even after getting plenty of rest, you may have a vitamin D deficiency. One of the most common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency is the constant feeling of fatigue or tiredness. Research shows that extremely low levels of vitamin D may result in extreme exhaustion, which can negatively impact your general health and quality of life. Getting more sun exposure, taking vitamin D supplements, and eating foods that are high in vitamin D can help with the fatigue. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 4. Depression. You may be lacking in vitamin D if you've been feeling sad and depressed for a lengthy period of time. Because some brain chemicals, such as those that affect mood, are better controlled when vitamin D is present, your mood may worsen if you aren't receiving enough vitamin D. Number 5. Hair loss. Losing small amounts of hair in the shower or while combing or brushing your hair is normal, but if you are losing large amounts of hair and can see visible bald spots, you may have a vitamin D deficiency. Number 6. Anxiety. It is normal to experience a little anxiety every now and then. However, if you're feeling more nervous than usual, or if you're concerned about things that don't typically bother you, it's possible that you're deficient in vitamin D. This is due to the fact that vitamin D aids in the regulation of the hormones produced by your brain that affect your mood. If you aren't receiving enough vitamin D, you may experience excessive anxiety. Number 7. Slow wound healing. If you have a scrape, a cut, or any other type of wound that is taking longer to heal than it should, this could be a sign that you are not getting enough vitamin D and could mean that you are vitamin D deficient. Research shows that vitamin D boosts the body's capacity to make new skin, which is critical for wound healing. Vitamin D has also been shown to have a significant role in reducing inflammation and combating infections, both of which play a vital role in the process of healing. Number 8. Fractures and bone loss. Vitamin D deficiency is associated with decreased bone mineral density. This is because vitamin D is required for calcium absorption in the body. Its absence may result in fractures and bone loss. This may be particularly noticeable in older adults with inadequate bone density. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.